The Diyoveya Honey project is another perfect example of how we would like to implement human-wildlife coexistence work. The problem there was that elephants were accessing a crop and destroying this crop quite easily and quite opportunistically on a regular basis. What the farmers found was that by placing beehives around the crop, elephants naturally do not enjoy being around bees, and having those hives around the field kept the elephants away from the field. So what we had there was a solution for keeping the elephants out of the field. We had a farmer who was now pleased to have a protected crop, which meant that food security was improved for the farmer, who understands how elephants can be kept away in a safe manner. But we also had a product in the honey, and a product that we use on a daily basis in our camps. So we have all of the entities that make up a sustainable program that protects people, it protects wildlife, and it also provides a product which we can then support and grow a small business. And Diyoveya Honey is a perfect example of that.